Hi everyone, it's Cheryl with Dragonfly Beads. I had a couple things that just came in and I wanted to show you guys what we got going on. Brand new stock. I'm in love. Look at these gorgeous glass rounds I just got. Oh my God. Oh, I knew the colors would be great, but this really wows me. The colors are beyond what I thought they'd be. Yay! Okay, love it. I also just got a bunch of those prayer boxes with holes in them that you can use diffusers, oil diffusing pendants. Aren't those pretty? Little copper guys. Some of these are sold, but we'll have some in the store too. And I got enameled brass pendants. We'll have some of those in the store. And more oil diffusers. Oh, pretty. That one's pretty. We got a few of those. Ooh. Everything is so topsy-turvy. Oh, look. We got stainless steel ones. Those cost about $10 a piece, but they're really worth it because they will. Those. Lotus. Another tree of life. Oh, these are beautiful. Gorgeous. There's another one. Beautiful. I love it. This is the last package. And we also have a huge trunk show coming. We've got 2 gemstone trunk shows. Look at that. These are those glass bubble pendants that you can put like dandelions in and stuff. Those are really pretty. Gorgeous. Check these guys out. Look at how cute. Oh, hello. You are just adorable. Oh my God, I love you guys. And then I got some plated hematite skulls. These will all be sold individually. And then these beautiful little babies are window cut crystal beads. Some of them are sold, but we'll have some in the store too. Gorgeous. Don't miss our trunk shows coming up. We will have them in store, displayed, probably starting middle of next week. And we'll have, one show is all gemstone from Dakota, and the other show will be a mix of gemstone and glass and ceramic beads and pendants from all over. So don't miss out. And of course I will post pictures like I always do. Thanks you guys. Thanks for joining me, and check back in with me soon because I'll have more for you. Bye.